Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to see how to run first Selenium script in Eclipse which is installed in the macOS. Okay, currently I am having Ventura. We will see how we can run a script in it. Okay, so before starting with this, if you not installed with the Eclipse and not install Java, I have created a video in the previous session. You can refer that in the description. After installing Java and Eclipse, you can come to this video. Okay, now open the Eclipse by clicking on command space type Eclipse. You'll be getting an option like this. Click on the first option, Eclipse. After that, it will be asking you to select the workspace. Select the workspace. I want to go with the default workspace, so I'm not selecting anything new. Okay, so clicking on launch. On clicking launch, you will be taken to the project explorer. Okay, now click on file, new, Java project. Okay, not Java project, you need to be selecting other. In other, you will be getting list of option like this. Okay, select Maven and expand it. You'll be getting an option like Maven project. Click on the third option, Maven project. Now click on next. After clicking next, it will be taking you to the create a simple project. Okay, select the checkbox. Now don't do any changes in the other places. If you want to change the default workspace location alone, you can change to some other location. Okay, currently I am going to use the same workspace, so I'm not going to change anything here. Okay, now click on next. Give a name. I'm going to give Soy Mac first Selenium project. Okay, copy the same, paste the same in the artifact ID. Now click on finish. Okay, on clicking finish, you can see in the left side project explorer with the Maven project created. Okay, can you see? So now the Maven project is created. I am trying to zoom further. Okay, now when you are having only J, that means that is a Java project. Okay, when you are having both M and J, that means Maven project. Okay, I am expanding this one. So here you will be having pom.xml. Okay, double click on the pom.xml. Here you will be having project details. Okay, so that is defaultly added. In order to run a Selenium program, we need Selenium dependency. Okay, we will take that from the Maven website. You can go to Safari, type Maven, go to google.co.in, type Selenium Java dependency. If you type, you will be getting Selenium Java, which is available in the Maven repository. Okay, click on the first link. We will take the latest version, that is 4.14.1. Okay, so just click on the Maven, it will be automatically copied. Okay, here you see, copy to clipboard, no need to click on Command C. Now under the version, you can type less than dependency. If you type dep, you will be getting dependencies. Okay, so you select dependencies. Now we can add the copied Selenium dependency. Now command V will paste the dependency for Selenium Java. Okay, so we are going to use latest version 14.14. Okay, so before clicking on command S for saving, we will see how it appears before saving. Okay, here currently we are not having Maven dependency. Okay, can you see? We are not having Maven dependency here. So once we click on save, okay, we have added the dependency, and after clicking on save, you can find Maven dependency under this. Okay, so observe, I'm clicking on save. Here you see it is downloading in the bottom, and you can see Maven dependencies. Okay, it is downloading 4.14.1 Selenium Java version from the Maven portal. Okay, so here you see whatever that is required for us, it downloaded. Okay, if you want a different version, you can give the different version and click on save. It will download based on that. Okay, whatever that is required for 1.3, it will be downloading that. Okay, so now we are ready to run a script. We will create under src test java. I'm right clicking and clicking on new and create a new package. Okay, I will create first Selenium script. This is the package name. Click on finish. The package is created. Now you can right click on the package and click on new class. Click on class. Okay, now you can give a name like first Chrome driver test in Mac. Okay, so this is the name I'm going to give. You can select the public static void main also. Okay, in order to add the main. So click on this checkbox and finish. Now the Java class file is created. Okay, now I'm going to, you can delete this one by clicking on command D, and I'm go in the main, I'm going to type WebDriver. If you press on control space, you will be getting list of option like this. Okay, so I'm going to choose WebDriver. Choose WebDriver. Okay, and type driver equal to new Chrome. Again, I'm clicking on control space. You'll be getting suggestions. I'm going with the first suggestion. If you are going with suggestions, the import will be automatically added. No need to import on WebDriver and Chrome driver manually. Okay. So now we have added the first line, that is WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay. As we are going to open a URL in Chrome, I am giving Chrome driver. Okay, if it is Firefox browser, you can give Firefox driver. Okay, now you can type driver dot get and give the URL in quotes. I am giving google.co.in. Okay, http google.co.in. Okay, now click on command save. Command is now we are ready to run the script. Okay, right click on the Java class created. Now you will be finding an option like run as. Click on Java application. Okay, now you see google.co.in URL is opened in the Chrome browser. Okay, currently I not given driver.quit or driver.close, so only it is not getting closed. Okay, so that's all I have for this video. We will meet in another new video with new content. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.